distance. Because you are dealing with human beings. What you are talking about? I bet me about say be cry. I went there come and say I ran over Baumia office. Now send this appointing. What is wrong about that? What is wrong about that? Because someone any more or poor woman. What you say? Any businessman now people for quite amount 2,000 and this is quite money 2,000. What you say? Auntie, well, it happened. As I'm an MPP superpower, and this is from my pampa being that home, it doesn't change anything. Because the system, no, never been tea. And never been tea. Want to me and you be overnight, and to me possible. But say, I rush one over, maybe blame MPP for an I mean blame Dr. Baumia say. No, because Ebiana or Honing in Akrano. Now she was spying for the NDC.
That's all school graduate, but that about me also is also a buona now.
So, say, and yeah, a NDC fanwa. There's nothing wrong. She's a human being. But no, one can say, oh, Munya, when I'm going to say, Choboy, no, I'm here. And you Choboy. Oh, we are Brony Becalor, we are offending the sensibilities and the sentimentalities of the NDC activists. What the best at them? But me cry me a mano. What I say. But then there's a yehuno. The clutch no go to more not mono. Why dear? But you know, that is the way they go on with our politics in Africa.
So what's anymore?
No question what you want.
And I said, I won't Emma.
Oh, should be crab motion was say buy the not book amount.
Or say other districts, no. Consuls organizers and I take over as not more directed. To until so no quality was the other districts, no. Or no, the won't be over the man.
No, I can't say about. Yes, so. So, Muna was some year non say be oh, ebia yenimu. Ne certificate, ne qualification. Ebia yenimu. Because I'm a person but no baby for. But that is politics for you. I can tell you, sir. And this ban anwa da in fear run naban. So you see the situation. Sure, I'm peeping your problem be one can tampo. Yatu about in 2016, we are about 2017. There was a Konkoma boy who contested on the ticket of MPP, Chasakamba. And for the first time since 1992, no, Charles close to gap no pa. Charles close to gap no pa. I'm the close to bedroom best 2,000 or 3,000. When you have the MPP party didn't appoint him as the DC. Or more appointing in Pafufrubi. So Nipa now appointing on MC, no. Or no as MC, no, also to me resources. Until by 2020, no. Wamoko primaries, no. All resources, the delegate system now to be for Benfano. Uchachas. Compare 2020 and 2024. 2020 NDC buying. A buying pa. 2024 crown the core now of the band. No, it's very good. Amount for penasem. So now current ma uncle to gap no at say that chas. So I mean sabi can fetch you sabi. Common sense say since 1992 Chasakamba na abadia. Next time people remember 2017. I don't know when Chasakamba the MC. And look at the geopolitics in Kintampo. Oh Wangarafo, oh Mo, oh Nkranza, oh Dagati, oh Fulani. You know NDC constituency chairman from Kintampo, Dagatini. And most of the constituency executives in Yano, and Yan Nkranza for. And they are more position to get, and to be able to say Kintampo North and Kintampo South. For the MPP, so big just says city, no, a free NDC, some, the Omije Bako, Nasanko, and MPP was found. What about these are the dynamics on the ground. And your baby has MPP. Mode honey where dynamics ni bia Utraman kana so ha na woko wachi kodu poku krom adujama no ma amanfo bebre aba from non accounts bebre aba from ento se wo ko delegation obi no di be kwa kotuto delegation obeto TV obeto fridge obeto ntoma obeto mpaboa mabo but the general elections you will suffer.
Well, young quite na yankusha 1D 1F.
Once I gave me disappointment in the NDC.
Any anoped disappointment disappointment
no, you see,
you are disappointed.
Yeah, because you see, me no me no asabi you.
Disappointment.
Yet to Canada no. Ultimately said the private sector no. Ena eye
movie.
Whether Canada, whether America, whether USA, whether Germany, whether it is the private sector. And Ghana suffer when Dr. Nkrumah started with his policies, na state policy, state housing, state agric, food distribution company, state way. Because state way nina. So if you look at the 1966, the Apollo Commission's report, very well. Utimu say enya advisable say state no ebe interfere with Nyaman Bebre, except baby kura to say be electricity, water, and then. But I no kura. So from 1966 report na bam say my neighbor from here na nkadema private participation. And kadia de na it because I never baller kura yesesa kura no ya dey ma private companies. Tia fidani bebre ya dey ma private companies. So you cannot tell me say electricity, say water private to me. Now MPP for the band na ya prolent here. Mama ma typical example. Baby I mean who kura ma hu you don't osunyane. And then because you don't benefit 1D 1F no. And then you don't yagale no was silly. No they call Nigeria. Package identity articulators there 10.
Wow.
Me ka bibiana. Uko sunyanya. Akachi from a bebre no ka identa. But bebre no ka chance o CMTC.
Okay.
CMTC channel. Better factory bi wo ho. Abaka say better factory bi wo ho. Onim say the ident. But those of us who can read and write, who share how successful are within ident across because of 1D 1F. Central region, I be now drinking, no.
Yeah,
Juice, no. A coffee juice. And now you live in Ghana. Cocoa processing companies heavily indebted. Extremely indebted. I've once been a board chairman. No, I need a crown me clamosa. Na monton company. Cocoa processing company, as you are talking now, is heavily indebted. If you are serious as a country, negotiate. Let private company talk. Non producing the cocoa, chocolate, you know. But you have a country. Cocoa board to cocoa, no, I got the cocoa board of the car. Then I catch you for the most would do for the I catch you for cocoa, so I better cotton. But you call KJT, maybe I told you so could for more than 20 years. Or more car. Or the Hannibal University. What I say? Oko Dumasi Joma. Mamina told Punam. Oko Sunyania. Mamina told Kobe Sawakofani Yegisa since the 1980s. Wafa Kobe Nisa Atonabatan Sifia Hannibal University. Or Moka. Koko Abaton MPP Tama Waboka. And this is Tama Waboka. Being Yanko Kodron can't say, Yantimi, we cannot accommodate and tolerate 77. This is nonsense. You know, so Cocoa Board and can say by now, no, it should be in the private hands. PBC, call it PBC in the crime circle. PBC kwara emsegu. Ya dia to stock exchange. PBC ye creative ya. PBC adana fa bebre ni na cooperative fu adane. So if you are talking about a 24-hour economy, you should power man kosoro. Now about private sector na kosoro no. One district, one factory. One district, one factory. Now, what you mean you could say yechem? Abba. But 4 billion na Guzitano say open for one and say 24 economy no. With due respect, does it make sense?
It makes sense.
No, you're looking for 4 billion to run the secretariat, the staff, and other initiatives of the same 24-hour economy. Does it make sense? Operation make sense. You don't know all factory now, no. Or Juma 24 hours because demand no de call Nigeria no. Demand no de call Togo ni Benin no. Be here nti mfidie so ka ni binu maponko. So when you're talking about 24-hour economy, sometimes the missions are crashing for the beginning from say now when betinu who man who betim who. How do you talk of 24-hour economy? When I say madam for our Belgium watching about or Marco Bonu to Mpasetia filling station do. How do you run 24-hour economy in such a situation? Untimi. But I wish I saw some year can war. I'm going to run about it. Over to my run it because you will chrome. You can run it. And to what do you do, Macron? Who look at 24-hour economy now? Who said, what in your one now, 24-hour economy operational. The system in the 24-hour economy no operational. And then the system. And to much blueprint a crash of Ghana crash from about for them can dear Sikaria Chronompo upon pop. Now Ethiopian ideas. Ethiopian 24-hour economy, the t-shirt and about printing. Go and send this son to the Marines. And you want to have a 24-hour free at the same. When chi na be so called new logo. Udro when chi station a wa kwai. A hamle kwai. When chi station and I don't go crowd run be better on panel. A 24-hour economy. Because demand no. And I uko tachuma in town. Nipa no bebre na ewo station ho. Yeah, because tachuma no so free wow. So free tamalo. Obesiwa binuma fake kosunyane. Nya wona obeka say yenye 24-hour economy. System here 24-hour economy. But you cannot operate 24-hour economy when chi yawo de twom ho. You cannot operate 24-hour economy with sunyane ukwera twom ho. Because it's common sense. Ukwera twom we aba no nso no nwotwe kura ba eko basic kura ba aje wafa. Na grana akraje for sika wiya kro no ba 24-hour economy. So what make no the engine of growth no air private sector no abawie. So we are dying a man to economy. Electricity company the car. Cocoa board at the car. PBC at the car. But is that how to run a country? I'm both from PP and NDC now, or being Yakukodrono, or being Yahuadeno, to be bold enough to be talking like how Obiri Boahen talking. To be talking like how I make us say. Why 24-hour economy? Baby, on my job, I'll cast away on 24-hour economy. I'll wait in there. Because care back. A crowd cost a VIP station on 24-hour economy, obey me. Oh, 24-hour economy, obey me. Boy, Achima Bajiwe 2M Express. 24-hour economy, obey me. They cannot run 24-hour economy in Domain Crew. You cannot run 24-hour economy in Sampa. Because of abundance, no, no, cannot. Ebi kondomasi wuntimi. Ko 24-hour economy na awo running ndomasi no. No twe nonkunu no bi akoda. Uti hu kura po wo ya kura usuro si amrobes beba. So it's the situation, the environment and the system. Now the obana se wunya amanfo mayen kasa enkiremu empe stakeholders empe adwene na guzita na kogina akokasa am say eventually mo 24-hour economy. Meanwhile, electricity of company the car na abanama subvention. Ghana water company the car abanama subvention. PBC the car, Cocoa board the car. Adan. Na mano mo sana ye man. Sika no so munya bia mo say abane a market, abane ye we. Odebama private person because abane paying for person kwekwe ho, we kwekwe ho. That is that how to run a country. Na Africa kawuram ya kawuram because of bad leaders, bad leadership. Are we for Africa? Our leaders are not God fearing. It's a cause of brutality, baby. And then there's competition. Then electricity subvention, subvention. Great power authority, a generate a Jumania Sika. May you have 3 cases for IMF. Compensation won't be a capre. What the cocoa na case bebre no great power authority woman or ways and means. They have their own ways and means. Koba now man hini piano when you capre. Aba because the baby before you give me a work class, you give me a brother could nip any bet you. I am not preaching violence, but I'm being truthful. Until you bebre. So 1D, 1F, one more tremuno, and Professor Coco as an article that tracks here. Also, be you see the year, and you're gonna the year.
20 minutes after 8. I wound to me 1013. Wound to me radio Sunni, and I wound to me TV. Lawyer Nana Obiri Boahen. I'm not saying this is the state of Ghana. Every Saturday morning, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Yes, sorry, na wound to me nationwide sports no aba. You didn't come out at the far Ghana's ascension. You
oh, no cross. I'm fear. One gay phobia and best man. So let's be very honest to ourselves. What would tell me? Say, young people for pencil, none and kufa the war power. Not gay for me, look of your manwa. And Kagana, dear Nancy by now.